So this video is split into two parts. We'll be analyzing on a higher time frame and we'll be analyzing on the lower time frame. So let's treat this as our support zone and this as our resistance zone. Okay. So using the previous example we used during the part one of this video, the market was pretty bearish and we have a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So here would be a change of structure. Okay. Right, so we have this at the moment. So using our previous example, definitely you should get an entry on this particular flip zone here, right? But let's assume the market is actually trending upward in this direction. Price is actually trending upward in this direction. Now what you need to do is just come down here and draw your trend line connecting these two parts, right? So we covered all this in the part one of this video and more. So for the purpose of today's video, this market is actually trending upward in this direction, and mind you, everything that is happening here is happening on a daily time frame. Okay, it's happening on a daily time frame at the moment. So you, on the other end, you are a day trader or you're a scalper. Now, this market here is a daily candlestick, so you should expect a couple of daily candles that are actually trending down here. If we use our previous example, we should actually expect a pullback to this particular zone here. This will be our point of interest before we take any entry next, right? But this is a daily time frame, and you really don't have that patience to wait for markets to reverse down to this particular place. So there's also another way for you to join the trend when the market is actually trending. This was what I didn't really share in the previous video. So if you actually want to get an entry on this particular place here, what you need to do is very simple. You don't need to panic and don't jump into the trade when you are on the higher time frame. If this is the daily time frame, you can go to probably hourly time frame or any one of your choice. Now we are actually focused on this particular trend line at the moment, so remember that. Okay. Now in order to join this trending market over here, this is a daily time frame, so you really need to just scale down to a lower time frame, any time frame of your choice. But here is what you need to check out for. Once you get to a lower time frame, look for something like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay. Right, so you should have something like this on a smaller time frame. So this market is actually trending with series of single candles, right? These are bullish candles, single candles on the daily time frame. So once you go to a smaller time frame, this particular trend here, you should get something like this. Okay, you should actually get something like this. Now what you need to do is very simple. Just draw your flip zone here. Okay, just draw this trend over here, and remember, this is our first confluence, this is our second confluence. Okay, let me show you that. This is our first confluence, this particular line here is our first confluence, and this is our second confluence. So just wait for this market to reverse down to this particular place here and use whatever you use for your entry, and you should get an entry on this particular place, and you should continue riding the market upward to this particular zone here. So if you drive it to this particular zone, you're actually trading probably intraday or you're scalping the market. So once the market gets to this particular trend line, just exit the trade, because this is not where you're supposed to enter the market. Remember that. Just exit the market once it gets to this particular green line. So the next time we have this same drop again, what you need to do is to wait for market to get to this particular trend and do the same thing again. Okay, so when price eventually breaks down out of this place, then we are actually getting this reversal. Okay, so that's when you can wait for this reversal here, then you should probably do what you're supposed to do. Just come back here and draw your flip zone and join the trend up, or use whatever you're using to get into the market and join the trend upward. Okay, so it's pretty much simple. Now you only need to replicate what you were supposed to do if the market reverts back to this place. That's the same thing you'll be replicating on a higher time frame. Take a look at this here, this move over here, and this move over here. They are pretty much similar. Okay, they're pretty much similar. So that's why I say my strategy are very simple. I really focus on simple things. I like to keep it simple. So simplicity will actually make you money in the financial market, because you don't really need to bother about a lot of things. All the fake out and everything like that, I really don't bother about fake outs when I'm trading anymore. So as a recap, let me just quickly run through everything again. So in case you're missing any part of it, whenever the market is actually on a bearish market like this, wait for a flip zone and get your entry right. Now on this particular video, we ignored this entry because the market is actually pushing up and we are on a daily time frame. Now you on the other hand, probably you're a scalper or you're an intraday trader, you cannot wait patiently for market to reverse down to this particular zone. What you need to do is just to scale down to a smaller time frame, and you should expect markets moving in series of higher high, higher low in this direction. Okay, so just wait for price to get to a flip zone like this, and get an entry and ride the markets to this particular resistance. Okay, this particular resistance trend line. And once the market gets to that place, exit the trade ASAP. Don't hold the market tight, hopefully to break out this place. Exit the trade because the market can actually drop down. Remember, this price was supposed to drop down to this particular place here. Right, this particular price here was supposed to drop down to this place before you get an entry. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Ezekiel. I'm a financial market analyst. I'm not a guru, I'm on the same journey as well. On this channel, what we do is simple. I share my knowledge and I share the knowledge I've gathered from others over the years. So if you're looking for a community of like-minded traders to join, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and welcome me officially to the community. If you're a total newbie and really have no knowledge about Forex trading yet, but you're enjoying the idea of making money through Forex trading, check out this course. It's an ongoing Forex course at the moment. It's totally free. I recommend you start with the first video, that is FX 101. By the time you're done with this course, you should start making decent money in the financial market. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you go ahead and backtest it before you implement it into your live trading account. And until next time, happy trading, and I wish you best of luck. Cheers, guys.